there's another method of taking notes. If you want to take notes in a rapid manner while reading through things rapidly, a great way to do that is with the Morse code method. So this is a rapid note-taking method. It's meant to be very, very quick on the notes. So what you can see here, look in the right-hand margin. You're using dots and dashes. Here's a dot, here's a dash. What do they mean? Dot is the main point. Dash is the supporting detail. Now, notice what's going on here. You're not getting bogged down with writing. You're just like trying to get through a chapter quickly. And because you don't want to spend too much time being heavy with the notes, you can refer back later. When you're done with your chapter, I can go back and say, all right, let me look at all my dots and dashes. And now I'm going to paraphrase them. And I'm going to write down more detailed notes. But these dots and dashes are just meant to be, okay, main idea, some very important supporting detail, and I just continue reading as I'm going. So at the end of a chapter, you might have dots and dashes on, a page here, a page there, every other page, and so on. When you're done with the chapter, you go back and you kind of go back to pick up all those dots and dashes and turn them into notes.